Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download paper app on your device. For those that want to download paper app, this video is for you. Go to your Play Store app if you have an Android device or your App Store if you have iPhone device. The next thing you have to do is to type in paper, PAYPAL, and the next thing is to search for it. It's going to bring out an option for you to install. Mine says open because I have already installed it on my device. So what I just have to do is to click on the install option if I have not installed it in order to install it on my device. So guys, that is it on how to install paper app on your device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.